fun new things along the way. Letters and objects side by side, sing along and enjoy the ride. A is for amethyst, purple and bright. B is for bamboo, growing so high. C is for cactus, standing so tall. D is for drum, hear the beat call. E is for emerald, shining so green. F is for falcon, soaring unseen. G is for globe, showing the world. H is for hammock, gently swirled. I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jellyfish, glowing so bright. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lantern, lighting the sky. M is for meteor, streaking so fast. N is for nest, where birds rest at last. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for parachute, floating below. Q is for quiver, arrows inside. R is for raindrop, falling with pride. S is for Saturn, rings all around. T is for telescope, stars to be found. U is for urchin, spiky and neat. V is for violin, playing a beat. W is for whirlpool, swirling so tight. X is for xylophone, color so bright. Y is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zeppelin, floating so vast. Now we know our ABCs with cool new things for you and me. Sing again and have some fun. The learning never stops, it's just begun.